Good morning everyone. Say good morning. How are you all? Are you all fine? Okay everyone, so this is your oral class. Which class is this? Oral class. Okay, so this is your oral class. Okay everyone? Okay, so this is your oral class, and in this class we are going to learn about a new poem. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn a new poem. Understood everyone? ये आपकी ओरल क्लास है और आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? एक नई पोम. Okay? Okay. So the title of the poem is Two Little Dicky Birds. हमारी पोम का टाइटल क्या है? Two Little Dicky Birds. Understood everyone? This is your oral class. ये आपकी oral class है. And what are we going to do in this class? आज हम इस क्लास में क्या करेंगे? We are going to learn a new poem. आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? एक नई पोम सीखेंगे. With action. Okay? And the title of the poem is Two Little Dicky Birds. हमारी पोम का टाइटल क्या है? Two Little Dicky Birds. Okay, सब मैम के साथ बोलेंगे. Repeat after मैम. Say two little dicky birds. Again, two little dicky birds. Very good. So this is your English poem. Okay, let's start. मैम के साथ बोलेंगे सब and do it with action. Okay, say two little dicky birds. With action, say two little dicky birds. Very good. Now say sat upon a wall. Do it with action. Say sat upon a wall. Now say one named Peter. One named Peter, the other name Paul. See, the other name Paul. Now say, fly away Peter. Fly away Peter. Fly away Paul. See, fly away Paul. Everyone repeat after ma'am and speak loudly. Okay, सब एक्शन के साथ करेंगे. See, fly away Paul. Now say, come back Peter. Come back Peter. Come back Paul. Come back Paul. Very good. Again सब मैम के साथ में करेंगे. ओके, एंड सब लाउडली बोलेंगे एंड एक्शन के साथ करेंगे जैसे मैम कर रहे हैं. ओके, से two little dicky birds. With action everyone and speak loudly. Say two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. With action everyone and speak loudly. Sat upon a wall. One named Peter. Say one named Peter. The other name Paul. See, The other name Paul. Fly away Peter. Again, fly away Peter. Fly away Paul. Fly away Paul. Now come back Peter. With action everyone. Say come back Peter. Come back Paul. Say come back Paul. Very good everyone. Okay, तो ये कौन सी पोम है आपकी? क्या है पोम का नेम? What's the title of the poem? Two little dicky birds. What's the title of the poem? Two little dicky birds. Okay, one more time revision करेंगे. सब मैम के साथ में बोलेंगे. Okay, मैम के साथ रिपीट करेंगे and सब loudly बोलेंगे and with action. Understood everyone? Say two little dicky birds. With action everyone. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. Sat upon a wall. One named Peter. One named Peter. The other named Paul. The other named Paul. Fly away Peter. Fly away Peter. Fly away Paul. Fly away Paul. Come back Peter. Come back Peter. Come back Paul. See? Come back Paul. Very good. Okay, so you have to learn this poem with action. सभी को ये poem अच्छे से learn करनी है with action. Understood everyone? Very good. So that's all for today. Next class में हम new poem learn करेंगे. Till then everyone, stay safe. Okay, and bye bye.